if you are a first time learner, okay, if you're a first time learner, then I will advise you to go with the regular lectures. The lectures have been taken from the same book, okay, and in the lectures, again, the content is going to be around 150 to somewhere between, it is still into recording, so 150 to 170 hours, somewhere between that is going to be the duration. And chapter wise videos, we have already started uploading it. You can start watching it. If you go with the books, if you go with the lectures, then obviously the books will be shipped to you. The books are already ready, so the dispatches have already started. Now in the lectures, ma'am, what all are covered? So in the lectures, the entire concept book we discuss. Then we go to the question bank. From the question bank, we solve all the analytical questions. Direct question I give as homework. Analytical questions we do, every question we do here in the class. MCQs which are there in the book, we do here in the class itself. Okay, that is how we do it. And yes, after that, the students who have already enrolled, they know that after the particular chapter is done, I record the revision videos. Yes, and those revision videos are available on YouTube. So once a particular chapter is done, you can go to YouTube, you can do the revision. Yes, that's how your entire syllabus gets consolidated, and that's how we do here, right? Now, okay, if you have already studied IDT before and if you want a concept overview, you say that ma'am, problem solving etc. I can do, but I just need to brush up my concepts. Then for that you can go with the fast track lectures, where we do all the concepts coverage, full 100% concept coverage, not even a single concept is left. Everything is done here. Okay, all the concepts, those are covered in the fast track batches. And if you feel that concepts etc. ma'am, we have completed, but I want to do question solving, if I sit on my own, I am not able to complete the question answers etc., then in that case you have got the question bank lectures. That is, this question bank is there now. So from this question bank, same, from this question bank we solve every question. So that is going to be there in your question bank lectures, all the questions, okay, all the analytical questions, descriptive type of questions, case study based MCQs etc.